Right now, beauty industry is getting flooded with so many new launches of Indian beauty brands. Their products are actually very good and affordable as well. That is why that those are everyone's favorite and so am I. So आज के वीडियो में मैं ऐसे 5 प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ. Those are made in India and my favorite as well. So yeah, let's get started. So the first product that I'm gonna talk about is from Insight Cosmetics and the product is Radiance Filter. Some days back this was all over the internet, these became viral and for a good reason. This retails for rupees 280 and you will get 11 gram of product. They come with 6 shades and I'm in the shade Light. So this product is actually like a strobe cream. Let me show you the texture. So the particles are finely melt and you can barely see any particle. So this provides a beautiful shine and it will look like you are glowing from within. So you can use this product by 2 ways. So first one is you can apply it all over your face and then you can apply your base or foundation. Otherwise you can use this product on the highest points of your cheeks and then you'll be good to go. This has a very subtle fragrance which might not bother you. If you love glowy dewy makeup base, then this is the one for you. People are saying that this is the dupe of Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Filter, but I have not used that, so I cannot comment on that part. But I just want to say one thing about this product, that if you are an oily skin girly and if you are staying in very hot and humid weather, then please refrain from using it all over your face before using your base. I think in that case you might feel it a bit oily and sticky. So yeah, that's the only bummer that I can say. Nowadays people are not liking those heavy cakey makeup. It's all about very lightweight, easy breezy makeup. So they're just putting sunscreen and then a little bit of concealer, lip and cheek tint, and yeah, we are good to go. So मैं भी right now इस genre में fall कर रही हूँ. मुझे भी आजकल lip and cheek tint बहुत पसंद आ रहा है. And the next product is a lip and cheek tint from an Indian brands. So the next product is from Art Rhythm. This is their lip and cheek tint and this is the shade Cherry. They only come in 3 shades and I have picked up the shade Cherry. This retails for rupees 499 and you will get 5 ml of the product. But they are mostly always on discount. This lip and cheek tint is very much pigmented. Let me show you the texture. So if I blend, it will blend very easily. You can use this lip and cheek tint on your bare face and on your foundation as well. This is not gonna move your foundation. Also this product and Art Rhythm as a brand is vegan, cruelty free and fragrance free. If you love a good flush of color on your face, on your cheeks, and you also love a glowy dewy makeup, then this is the one for you. This will add glow on your face as well as a good flash of color. Next product is from Cuffs and Lashes. We all know that this is the brand by Nidhi Katiyar. So Nidhi Di is an YouTuber and also she is an entrepreneur. So I love Cuffs and Lashes as a brand. I have used a lot of their products in the past and I have also reviewed them in my channel. So yeah, go check them out. So today I am going to talk about their Afterglow Blush. This retails for rupees 399 and you will get 6 ml of product. They have a good range of shades and I am in the shade Blushing Pink 02. So this comes with this type of cushiony tip applicator and this is the shade. So the pink is very much subtle. It's not that chatak wala ekdam neon pink. It's very much subtle and this shade is gonna suit most of the Indian skin tone and complexion. Also this blends very easily. Brush se, blender se, and you can even blend it with your hands itself. It's very easy to blend and ये बिल्कुल भी पैची नहीं लगते. आज भी मैंने अपना cheeks पे यही वाला blush use की हूँ and I am totally in love. Also I love the fact that this is moderately pigmented and you need to be really fast while blending, otherwise ये पैच तो नहीं कहूँगी बट ये थोड़ा जल्दी सेटल हो जाते हैं. सो या यू नीड टू बी वेरी क्विक वाइल ब्लेंडिंग. एंड ये एक सेल्फ सेटिंग ब्लश है, सो यू डू नॉट नीड टू पिक एनी अदर लूज पाउडर और कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर टू सेट इट. सो इसको अप्लाई करने के थोड़ी देर बाद ये एकदम सेट होके पूरा एक मैट ब्लश बन जाते हैं, which I really like. Then I have another clean vegan brand and most of their makeup products are infused with skincare ingredients. So next I have a lipstick, so that is from Kiro. So this is their non-stop airy matte liquid lipstick in the shade Nutmeg Nude. This retails for rupees 875 and you will get 5 ml of products. Let me show you the shade. So the formulation is matte and very much smooth. It's not gonna dry out your lips, and this is the shade that I am wearing today. Also, I love the fact that despite of being it a liquid lipstick, this is very much comfortable and it can last up to 6 to 7 hours straight. If you eat super oily food, then it might come off from middle. Otherwise, this is very much long lasting. Also, I love the shade because these type of shades actually suit most of the Indian skin tone. This is a warm toned brown lipstick. I really love this brown. So yeah, I love this lipstick, I love this brand, and I love their concept towards clean vegan beauty. Next I have a product from K Beauty. So this is going to be our last product of this video. So we all know that K Beauty is a brand, is a joint venture by Katrina Kaif and Nykaa Cosmetics. Their range is actually not too affordable, not too luxe, so they are something in between. I actually love a lot of products from this brand, but in today's video I'm gonna talk about only one product because I'm using that product a lot in summer. So this is K Beauty Matte Compact. This retails for rupees 849 and you will get 9 gram of product. Let me show you from inside. So this is the powder and you will also get a mirror. They have a wide shade range available and their packaging screams luxe. This powder is finely melt and it has a lot of coverage. Also, it has a very velvety finish, and also I must say that these can beat a lot of high-end product. This is a must have for summer. ये स्किन को एकदम मैटिफाई कर देते हैं एंड पोर्स को, जितना भी मेरा यहाँ पे ओपन पोर्स है उसको पूरा ब्लड आउट कर देते हैं, लेकिन स्किन को एकदम ड्राई खिंचा खिंचा सा वैसे फील नहीं करवाते. सो आई रियली लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. सो या दैट्स फॉर टुडे. लास्ट वीक मैं 5 स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बात की थी जो कि मेड इन इंडिया है, एंड आज मैंने 5 मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बात की हूँ जो कि मेड इन इंडिया है. सो आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताना कि इस टाइप का वीडियो आपको कैसे लग रहा है, एंड आगे जाके मैं फिर इसका एक सीरीज भी बना सकती हूँ. If you like this video, then give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. It won't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. Also, if you have not followed me on Instagram, then go make sure you follow me there. I upload a lot of contents there. मुझे कमेंट्स करके बताना कि आगे जाके आप किस टाइप का कंटेंट, किस टाइप का वीडियो मेरे चैनल पे देखना पसंद करोगे. So yeah, see you on next week with another video. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah.